Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best circuit kits for kids aged 8 to 12, the Sntieecr Electric Circuit Motor Kit. This educational kit is not only designed to spark curiosity and creativity but also serves as a fun introduction to the world of electronics. So, let's explore what makes this kit a fantastic choice for aspiring young engineers. As we unbox the Sntieecr kit, you'll notice it comes with 42 pieces, all neatly organized in 3 separate bags for easy storage and portability. Inside, you'll find essential components like crocodile clip leads, bulbs, a bulb holder, an AA battery holder, a motor, and even a rocker switch. These components are not only durable but also user-friendly, making them perfect for children eager to learn about circuits. What's impressive about this kit is its versatility. Whether your child is just starting their journey in STEM education or looking to enhance their existing skills, this kit provides a solid foundation. The pieces can be easily combined to create various circuits, allowing for countless experiments and projects. The included instructional guide is clear and concise, guiding kids through exciting projects that foster hands-on learning. Safety is paramount when it comes to any electrical kit. The Sntieecr kit operates on a recommended voltage of 1.5 volts to 3 volts, ensuring that it is safe for kids. However, it's essential to supervise their experiments, especially when using the maximum voltage. A gentle reminder: if using 3 volts, it's advised not to exceed a few minutes of use to prevent overheating. This way, your child can explore and learn without any risk. This kit does more than just teach about circuits. It encourages critical thinking and problem solving. As kids assemble different components, they learn about electrical flow, conductivity, and basic engineering principles. This hands-on experience not only builds their technical skills but also boosts their confidence and creativity. Imagine the pride on their faces as they watch their projects come to life. The Sntieecr Electric Circuit Motor Kit is more than just a toy. It's a comprehensive learning tool that prepares kids for future challenges in science and technology. With its safe design, comprehensive components, and educational value, it stands out as one of the best circuit kits for children aged 8 to 12. Whether you're considering a gift for a birthday or looking for a fun and educational activity to do at home, this kit is an excellent choice. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful product critiques. Have you used the Sntieecr Electric Circuit Kit? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.